Hey everyone, in today's video, we're excited to showcase how these innovative e-bikes are revolutionizing our daily commutes, making them faster, greener, and more fun. Whether you're looking to cruise through the city effortlessly or explore new places, these e-bikes have got you covered. That if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in electric mobility. Thanks for watching. Doohan iTank, a futuristic three-wheeled scooter with a 1490W motor, reaching speeds up to 45 km per hour and a 100 km range. It features dual front wheels for stability and is perfect for urban commutes. Equipped with LED lighting and a smartphone app. Turboant V8. The V8 has a dual battery system, offering up to 50 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. With a sturdy aluminum frame, 10-inch pneumatic tires, and triple brakes, it's designed for long-distance commutes. It's foldable and priced at $799. MoonBike, a revolutionary electric snow bike for winter adventures, reaching speeds of 26 miles per hour and a range of 35 miles. With a quiet, eco-friendly design, it's perfect for snowy terrain and easy to store. Starting at $8,900. Weped F1. This electric bike reaches speeds of up to 37 miles per hour with a range of 50 miles and an advanced suspension system. Powered by a high-performance motor and precise braking system. Priced at $3,599. Weped Sonic. The Sonic boasts a 30,000W motor, reaching speeds of 75 miles per hour and a range of 80 miles. With ultra-wide tires, advanced suspension, and hydraulic brakes, it offers exceptional stability. Priced at over $88,000, it's built for serious enthusiasts. Red Shark Bikes. Innovative water bikes for exploring lakes, rivers, and calm seas. With speeds up to 12 miles per hour and a range of 50 miles, they support riders up to 220 pounds. Prices start at $449. E-Scooter H20. This electric scooter features a durable aluminum frame, a 500W motor, and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. With a range of 50 kilometers and 10-inch tires, it ensures a smooth and safe ride. Priced at $999. Quadro 4, a four-wheeled scooter that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the stability of a car. With a 346 cubic centimeters engine and a top speed of 81 miles per hour and a range of 186 miles, its price is estimated to be unavailable. XTND Board, an electric skateboard with AI technology, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and a range of 12.5 miles. The AI system optimizes battery use and safety features. Price unavailable. Inmotion RS, a high-performance scooter with an 8400W motor, reaching speeds up to 68 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles. It supports riders up to 330 pounds with 11-inch all-terrain tires and hydraulic brakes. Priced at €999. Triggo, a two-seater electric vehicle with a unique chassis that adjusts its width. With a top speed of 56 miles per hour and a range of 62 miles, it's perfect for city commutes. Eco-friendly, compact, and priced for innovation. Weped FF, a high-performance electric scooter with dual motors, delivering 12,000 W of power and a top speed of 60 miles per hour. With a range of 80 miles, 11-inch tires, and hydraulic brakes, it's built for speed and control. Priced at $5,799. MDT One, a cutting-edge electric bike with a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of 62 miles. It offers advanced suspension and a stable ride on various terrains. Priced for modern, eco-friendly commuting. Hiboy S2. This electric scooter features a durable aluminum frame, a 350W motor, and speeds up to 19 miles per hour. With a 17-mile range, 10-inch solid tires, and a dual braking system, it ensures a smooth, safe ride. It's foldable for easy storage and priced at $299. Efoldi Lite, a super lightweight mobility scooter weighing just 15 kilograms, with a range of up to 22 kilometers. It folds into a suitcase size, making it easy to store and transport. Priced at $2,795 US. Unagi Voyager One, a lightweight electric scooter weighing only 12 kilograms, with a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. Featuring a dual 500W motor and a sleek design, priced at $990 US. Arcimoto MUV, a modular electric vehicle with a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of 102 miles. It supports 2 passengers and 500 pounds of cargo. Ideal for city errands and light tasks, it combines sustainability with practicality. Atom Faramia 4, a 4-wheel electric vehicle with a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour and a range of 50 kilometers. It features unique tilt capabilities and a removable battery. Ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures, priced for modern transportation.